In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to get steel springs on Arc Raiders. So you can see I have a lot of steel springs myself here, and the easiest way to get them is to actually go into traders and then go into Celeste here in the top left corner. And she actually sells up to 10 per day here, as you can see, and it costs 6 asserted seeds, so you can buy as many as you can, obviously here up to 10. And that's the easiest way to get it. But if you want to be able to get it through a raid, I'm going to show you where I was able to find quite a lot. So I'm just going to go into the damn battlegrounds here. So I was able to find quite a lot in the yellow marked areas here personally. But you can also find a lot in like apartment areas and stuff like that as well. And but it is quite random, to be honest. You can find those like everywhere. It is a very common item. It's not one of those that's like extremely hard to find, not at all. It's very common. You can find it randomly. Sometimes you don't even have to loot. It's going to be like in a shelf randomly, and you will be able to see it says like steel spring, and you can just grab it easily. So yeah, that is exactly how to get it.